Hello everyone! Welcome back to Filipina Munchkin channel, and today's video is harvesting again the vegetables. So hope you like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Here, watch this video. I have another beet. Oh, this one is so big. Oh my goodness, look, it's big. Ah. Oh boy. Look at this. It's so huge. And there are two of them. Look. Oh my gosh. So another blessings today, as you guys can see. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next one. Thank you to all my subscriber and to all my kababayan. Maraming salamat po sa panunood. Sana mag-enjoy po kayo sa video ito. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to share my video in your friends and family. Ayan, please support me in my adventure. Thank you so much. Here's some of my cucumber. There's another one right there. And this is my ampalaya. Ayan, a little bit. Ayan. Nakita niyo po ang aking ampalaya. Ayan, mayroon din po akong patola na ayan, tumutubo pero medyo hindi pa po maganda. So, harvestin natin ang cucumber. Ayan. Ayan po. Ayan, harvestin natin. Maganda. So, ito na ang ating na-harvest today. Ayan, may cucumber na ako, may talong, at saka beets. So, sana po leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. At ayan po ang update ng garden ko ngayon. Tingnan nyo, maganda ang bulaklak ng aking spring onion or string onion, whatever you call the green onion. And this one is my celery. May bulaklak din po sila. Ayan. Hindi ko nga po alam kung ano, baka magbibigay sa akin ng seeds yun. Ano. And this one is a native lettuce. Spinach. Ayan. Gustong-gusto ko po ito sila gulayin. Kaya, inano ko lang. Tapos ito na po yung aking patola. Ayan. May patola po ako. Ayan. Inaano ko lang po yan. Sana lalaki, sana makasurvive sa init kasi in Arizona is very hot, so that's why. And look at my ampalaya right there. I don't know if you guys can see, but there is a ampalaya. Ayan. Yan po ang update ng aking garden today. Tingnan nyo po ang aking mga sibuyas. Ito po ay sweet potatoes. Ayan. So soon, maka-harvest din po ako niyan. Tapos ito din po yung aking carrots. Ayan, tingnan natin kung, ayan, mayroon na. Ayan, oh. Ayan, naka-harvest na ako ng carrots. Ayan pala. Ayan, may carrots din po ako ngayon. Ayan, sus. So, I have a carrots also. Ayan, harvesting a carrots. Ayan. Nakakatuwa po. I'm so happy. Ayan, harvesting these carrots. Ayan, mga kamanskin. Look at this. So, I guess that's enough for today. So, ayan ang aking harvest, carrots. Mahirap po mag-video ng sarili. Dapat mayroon po tayong nagtagbi-video. Pero, yung kamanskin nyo po ay nagsisikap mag-isa. Ayan. Nakita nyo po ang aking carrots. So, my beets, cucumber, eggplant, and carrots. And there's some more po. I have so much to harvest. I will show you a little later. So, ayan mga kamanskin, lulutuin na natin ang na-harvest nating gulay sa garden. Yan, naglagay na ako ng butter. Butter po ang pinagigisa ko sa aking gulay o whatever. Ganyan po, kasi mas matipid ang butter kaysa olive oil. But, you know, I guess the butter is healthy too for, you know, personal consumption. So, ayan, mainit na. Lalagyan na natin ang bawang, sibuyas, at kamatis. Yung kamatis po ay galing din po sa ating kamatis na hinarvest kahapon. So, I have to saute it, garlic, onion, and tomato. And of course, the eggplant that I just harvest. I just slice it like that. And put that in there. Medyo okay na po ang pakiramdam ng inyong kamanskin today. So, there we go. Ayan. Ay, lagay natin ang ayan po ang itsura. And then, we put the greens. This is the squash flower and the greens that I harvest, alugbati, and the squash leaves, the very talbos po, and also the native spinach. So, ayan, lagay natin lahat. Napakasarap po nito. Walang halo-halo po na walang halo-halo na meat or something, just the greens and the eggplant. Ayan. Hinaan natin ang apoy. We put it in medium heat. Ayan, halo-halo lang natin. And put the lid. can put a little seasoning. Of course, little salt, just to taste. A little salt. And I guess I want to put a little bit of cayenne pepper. There we go. Simmer for a little bit. It looks yummy now. Cover a little bit. So we check. It looks like cook already. Ayan mga kamanskin. Kita nyo po. So it's already cooked. This is how it looks like. Ayan. See? Very healthy. Quick and easy meal for your kamanskin. It's time to eat. Ayan, kain tayo mga kamanskin. Napakasarap po ng gulay ko. Galing kakaluto ko lang. Ayan. Let's eat mga kamanskin. Please take a moment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.